Before you get started, you'll need to connect the two computers using a router or crossover cable. Set the IP addresses of the IPC and the remotes to the same number segment. Open the marking software. Select Continuous. Click the button on the left. Open the remote control software. Change the remote host to the IP address of the IPC. The communication mode is changed to server. Click Start Monitor. Waiting for the green light to come on. Enter what you want to markings in the text box. Click Send manually. One more time.